want to show you something I just discovered in Cricut Design Space when working on the iPad. If I go into images, when I'm looking at my previews, I do like that it's a nice big preview so I can really see what's going on. But maybe I'm looking for something and I don't want to scroll so much. I want to see more previews. I found if I use my fingers and kind of do the pinch zoom action, so I pinched my fingers together and now I have more previews per page. Zoom and pinch my fingers, spreading them out, and that gets me down to the smaller previews. So pinch in to get more, pinch out to have bigger previews. I hope this helped you to find something new in Cricut Design Space. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!